Hey guys, what's going on? Today I have some lifestyle favorites to share with you. So these are things that have just been enhancing my life in general. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content so that we can hang out more often in the future. We're just gonna jump right into these favorites. I once made a current self-care favorites video and I talked about how much I love massage techniques for self-care. Not only is it really relaxing and it feels really good, but it also gets your blood pumping and kind of improves your circulation. It can be a great pain reliever as well. So it has some really great health benefits. So I was super excited when this company wanted to send me this little contraption. Pretty serious, I know. Okay, so this is the Napo cordless back and shoulder massager, and I do have it plugged in right now. So there is a rechargeable battery in here, so you charge it and then you unplug it and you can use it around the house. And it does come with a car charger too, though they do warn you not to use it while you're driving. I support that message. Anyway, so this is a very nice looking and easy to use back massager, and what I love is that it takes absolutely no effort on your part, because it comes with these straps. So when you put your arms through the straps and you just like hold them in place, like so, it kind of gives pressure to your massage and then holds the massager right in place at your neck where you want it. So how cool is that? I absolutely love it because there are a ton of different massagers where you have to like press into your body yourself, or they're just like so giant that they're not really portable, like the ones for your back, you know what I mean? Let me turn this off really quick, and oh my gosh, y'all, it feels so good. Also, there are multiple speeds. You can turn the little pulsing massagers, you can turn them in either direction. That's the button for that. And then you have multiple speeds, 1, 2, and 3. And then you also have heat, so you can turn heat on or off. One thing that I really also like about this are the Velcro straps. I know somebody who has a similar version of this massager, but it doesn't have Velcro straps. So the Velcro, that is what makes it hands-free. You can actually just take these straps and Velcro it in the back, and now I'm just strapped in. So I usually just leave this by my bed charging, so that when I get in bed at night, I can just give myself a nice little massage while I read a book or whatever. When I get it to a full charge, you can use this for more than an hour. And I think it's just a great little massager, so I've really enjoyed having this. Thank you so much to Napo for sending it to me. I will, of course, link this down below in case any of you guys want to check it out and see if you want to get one for yourself. Like I said, I have absolutely been loving it and I highly recommend it. I wanted to talk to you guys about the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day brand. Y'all, I flipping love the basil scent as of right now. I've got the multi-surface everyday cleaner, and I've also had the little dish soap. I really like them both, and to be honest, it's the smell that I really wanted to talk to you guys about. Mrs. Meyer's has a pretty wide range of like household items. They have like a concentrated cleaner, they have candles, and hand soap. This particular product is 98% natural, so I know that Mrs. Meyer's does care about that, is trying to make a beneficial impact and create safe to use products for cleaning around our home. So obviously we all love that, right? It is made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, and birch bark extract. Pretty cool. Any kind of like daily surfaces that kind of get used more often and get a little bit more dirty, I definitely do like this. And it leaves everything smelling really yummy. So like I said, I'm a little obsessed with the smell. The next thing that I want to talk about is super simple too. It is just a soy candle from Target. So Target has, I'm pretty sure, like I've never worked for Target and I'm not a Target pro, but these are my inferences, okay? From what I can tell, Target comes out with a fresh line of candles every season. And I believe that they come out with like a range of 6-7 scents every single season. So there are new ones coming out all the time, and this was part of their spring collection. It is in the scent Strength. This one is probably on sale now, or it's about to leave Target since summer is rolling in. They're gonna dish out another new line of scents. So it's a good time to go check out Target's line of candles. I believe I got this for $9.99 though, side note. And they burn for a good long while, especially if you are really consistent about trimming the wick. Trimming the wick really makes it last a lot longer. So anyway, like I said, this one is in the smell strength. This one's in the fragrance or the scent strength, and it is a coconut shea candle. So I've told you guys before, when summer starts to approach, I really get excited about the summer scents. The beach is a very happy place for me. I have tons of good memories. I love to smell the beach. And that, of course, is what this smells like since it's a coconut shea. So every spring, I get a nice, yummy, summer-smelling candle so I can beat my winter blues. And yeah, this one did me really good this year, especially since winter held on forever. Honestly, this should just be a Target commercial because my next item is from Target too. These sunglasses, okay? Like, I love them. What I love about these is they have a really modern shape, but they are the brown tortoise shell pattern. It makes the trend really easy to wear. They also have the gold accent on the sides, which I love. I'm a sucker for anything gold. This is totally gonna mess up my makeup, but we're gonna go for it. Anyway, I love them. I think they're so cool. 15 bucks, you can't beat it. But yeah, so these are definitely my new favorites. I know I'm gonna wear them a ton. Let me know where your favorite spot is for picking up sunglasses because I think that they honestly might be my favorite accessory. Like, okay, I have a couple of things that I want to talk to you guys about that I can't technically show you. First, I have an app and it's called Overdrive and I'm loving it. So this is a reading app and you sign in with your library card and then you can rent audiobooks or ebooks from your library as they come available. So it's super awesome from the comfort of your own home or anywhere that you are. If you have just logged in with your library account, you can start browsing the books that your county has available to you. And one thing that's really awesome about it is like my county personally has several libraries and obviously normally I pick the ones that are closest to me. So what's really awesome about Overdrive is that you have access to this kind of county-wide cache of books. So the whole entire county has equal access to these books. So I really, really like that. The other thing is that they have an automated hold system. So wherever you are, you can start looking for your books, start browsing your books, and they have new books on there too. And when you find a book that you like, you can hold the book and then it will auto check it out for you. So you'll get an email from your library that's like, hey, we just checked this book out to you. And then you can go straight into the app and download the book onto your phone. I believe you can also download it into your Kindle. I just think that's a really, really cool. It makes reading super accessible and easy and portable. This year for Christmas, my girlfriend added me to like her family plan on the Google Play Music app. And you can listen to podcasts on there. And I had never really been a podcaster before, but I found the Oprah Super Soul Conversations. I'm going to pull it up for you really quick. This is what the like title cover page of that podcast looks like. And so essentially, you know what Oprah is good at. She's an interviewer. So her podcast is interviews with these very successful, we got like spiritual leaders, thought leaders, business leaders, just people who have lots of knowledge, lots of experience, people who want to help other people live a good life. And she just has these gorgeous conversations with them under her oak trees, I'm pretty sure. So there are a ton of episodes currently available for you to listen to, and they're anyone from Reese Witherspoon to Brene Brown to Eckhart Tolle, RuPaul, and she just asks these people amazing, insightful questions, and it's just fun to sit down with them. It's fun to hear what other people think. It is enriching. It is like soul rich. It's definitely soul food. It's yummy. Mostly I just find it'll help you cope with life. You know what I'm saying? It will definitely uplift your spirits. It's great to vibe with people with high energy, even if it's just over the airwaves. There are so many different people and ideas to explore there. It totally lifts me up, so I highly recommend it. And then finally, for things that I want to talk about but can't show you, I am in love with Rupi Kaur on Instagram, and I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. She is a poet, and she's published, so you might have seen her books. They're available at Target, but she is an Instagram poet, as far as I know. That's what I know of her. I feel like she is poised and elegant, and you guys, she's a freaking badass. Like, this girl, I swear, she will chew you up and eat you for dinner, okay? She won't even use her teeth. She'll just use words. And she is so smart. She is incredibly smart. Her poetry is very feminist. It is very connected as well. It is very pro-humanity. So when you read her poetry, I really feel like you're getting a different perspective. I love the way that she plays with words. I love the way she plays with poetry. She's very inspiring. I swear she just always puts it the right way, you know, and she always puts it in a way that just moves me so much. So hopefully she will move you too if you decide to go look at her poetry. All right, so those are all the lifestyle items that I have to share with you. I hope you find some inspiration from the people and things that I have shared today. I hope that it creates a little bit more joy or fun in your life, or just something cool to explore. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you go down below and hit the little red subscribe button so that you catch me next time. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you get your notifications. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!